and welcome back to the old children and the teachers. Look forward to a great new academic term, and most importantly, look forward to you behaving well, conducting yourself well, playing a lot of good sport, and of course, studying well. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Welcome to me. Okay. Well, children, I told the Parshanath, sir has not told anything about himself. Venkamat Ghosh was in the Air Force for 25 years, and he was the secretary of the Air Force Sports Control Board, all pan-India. There's a huge responsibility. He is himself a Ranji player, and he loves cricket, but then he loves all of the games too. And he is a school, you have heard of Arjit Singh? He is a school Arjit Singh. He sings very well, he catch him every time. So please take look at these people. Of course, I was telling you Parshanath, 1997 he came here, barren land. He is the one who took the onus when chairman said, anybody wants to go and help me. And he's been there, and nobody came here. He was the first person to come on motorcycle. No road from Bangalore to Kanakpura. It was just a patchy mud road. But he stayed here all the snakes and scorpions, and he's the one who makes his projects, and he's the one who develops it. So you'll meet him also, he's very young, but he's achieved huge heights. My wife, Ambit Sharma, she looks very stiff and strong, but don't worry, heart is also very good, and you'll keep meeting her, the girls especially. Rudra Sharma is not here, the Chief Operations Officer, and Mr. David is the Principal. Mr. David? I call him, don't do that, but I call him the lost professor because he spends all his time in the physics lab. He's so dedicated there.
Morning, boys and girls. I would like to stress upon one thing which CEO said, that the school is not strictly rule-based. It's more conscience-based. So you don't have like, okay, you don't go in a line, this kind of thing, that kind of thing, this, that and all that. So we work more towards your intellectual and all-round development rather than stressing upon the rules and regulations. The pros are more than the cons, but of course, again, freedom comes with responsibility. So a lot of freedom is given to you to think, act and do. And take it up with a lot of responsibility, then you will enjoy this thing. So a lot of opportunities are given in the school, particularly for the new children. So make sure that you use all of those opportunities. I wish all of you great success, particularly for the outgoing students who are going to write their board exams this year. So I wish them all the best for this present year. Thank you.
Yes, we have Mr. Anilra is the Vice Principal at the CBSE, Senior Principal there. Ms. Maya, the Junior Vice Principal. Yes, you have Mr. UK Steele, the Cambridge Curriculum's Vice Principal here. He's a very kind and soft-hearted man. I request you please respect that and don't take advantage of that. You don't know his inner core. Once he gets it, finished.
Good morning to everyone, both staff and children. The older ones, not in age, but in years. And the newbies who've just come, yesterday or day before. Very warm welcome. Now, as he also always says, everyone says from the management that this is the school where things are not written, but things happen. We are not a school like other schools where we take only the nerds and geeks and the intellectually strong. But we are a school where we accept everyone. Not only the nerds and geeks, but the average, above average, weak, and we groom them, we nurture them so that they become decent people. End of the day, yes, you need marks for your jobs, for your interviews, to run your dad's business, but for me, I think a good person is more important than your credentials. And all of you, the old people, they know me very well because I take their classes. New people, we're just getting years catching up with one another. So let's hope we have a presentation here. I wish you a very happy stay. You can walk into my chamber, of course, when I'm free. Don't sit there unnecessarily. And there are certain things we will discuss on a more personal level, private level. All the best, God bless, and have a nice day with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Singh. Then we have Mr. Kalai Rajan, the VP IBDP, International Package. He is very strict what he wants to do. He is very clear in his mind. The academics are prime, and he is trying to bring very high standards for IB. Please support him, the IB2 children. Mr. Kalai Rajan.
Good morning. First of all, welcome to the new academic session. As said, the rules, actually we should know where we are and for what we are. We should know the place. Once you are in the classroom, you know how to behave in the classroom. Must be attentive. Receive maximum what the teachers are giving you. And when you are in the sports field, you know, maximum enjoy by playing the game. So the behavior, you should set yourself. It is not necessary for the teacher or somebody to insist on, because from the young age itself, if you know the place and behave, automatically the discipline fall in. Discipline is something we ourselves make to make the people around us comfortable. Your friends comfortable in the class, your teacher comfortable in the class. At the same time, it applies to each one of us. It's our responsibility as the school management to make the other people comfortable in the school. It is the teacher's responsibility to make the classroom comfortable. I strongly believe you will enjoy your stay at JRS. I wish you all the best, all success in the new academic year. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Rajan. We have the examination department, actually, Miss Vijayaratri Bandi. She is very, very strict as far as academics is concerned. And children, if you listen to her, you will see that your results will be fabulous. And she is very strict in examinations. She is very particular that we must follow the stipulated programs as usual. So prepare well. Okay, she may be tough as far as exams are concerned, but she is very soft at heart.
A very good morning. Welcome to JIS. As CEO sir studied, responsibility is very, very important. We need to be responsible. If we are responsible, we can do wonders. We can achieve any heights. And in the meantime, love yourself. When you love yourself, yes, you know what to do to yourself. In the meantime, you will know that if you are loving yourself, you will be loving your parents, and everything will be for happiness. Do well, all the very best. God bless you.
Next, please. Well, all the new teachers here, we would like to welcome them. All the teachers, in fact, not new teachers, everyone. Come, Mrs. Rumasi, please start the. Please come. All the teachers come, please, and spend 2 minutes. All come, please. I don't call everyone. Come, please come. All come, and please don't speak more than me. Just give a word of advice, and you love the children. Come, please. You see, all the teachers, so many of them, they are as equal to the strength of the school. ITIB. My God, see this? I think your really advantage is to get one-to-one coaching by age. Come, Mrs. Shuma.
Good morning, everybody, teachers and children. Today is first day for new children, and old children, they will start again. I think it is new for them also, because year is new. And second thing, old children should be very careful about young children who are joining now. Already I have heard few children, they have started already, old children, with new children. Please children, think that they are also your brothers and sisters. If they will stay here very happily, you will be also happy. So please adjust with them, and new children, please leave everything in back in your previous schools, and in this school we are from 8 to 8. Morning 8 to night 8 with you. Without your parents you are staying, but we are your parents. So please behave, love yourself, love everybody. Thank you.
Please introduce yourself, please. And she, madam, takes Hindi language 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. I mean, this hardly anybody can take so many levels, and she gets excellent results. Yes, please come, Manju, come fast. Anybody, come fast. There's no seniority here, please. Just keep coming.
Good morning, everybody. I welcome you all on behalf of CO Sir and JJ to this new academic year. I'll be teaching IB, biology, ESS, and towards CBSE side I'm teaching biology too. We are always here to help you all. Please see that you maximum utilize us. And apart from academics, the school gives you a platform for your overall curricular activities so that you become lifelong learners. So I welcome you all for this new academic session. Thank you.
Bonjour, I'm Rachel Kumar from Pondicherry. I'm teaching French for IG and IB. Whatever help, you can approach me, not only in French, anything else. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning, honorable present here. This is Roy Kumar. I will be teaching mathematics class 7th, 9th and 10th, as well as I will teach badminton also. We made it in this way. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, honorable present here. Myself, Rajkumar. I am going to teach ICT for class 7 to 10 IG and as well as 10 CBSE. So, actually, JRS is our home away from home. So, have a happy stay and enjoy your all the things along with the academics. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone present here. I am Prince Jason James, joined as PGT in Computer Science. And myself, I have completed my MCA and MTech, and I am here to teach CBSE grade 11 and IGCSE ASMA and IB ITGs. I wish you all a happy learning and happy stay in JRS. Thank you.
Good morning, children. I am Sochi Thomas, teaching economics in IG and IB curriculum. Wish you a good luck.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ashok Kumar, physics teacher. I have 25 years of teaching experience, working in India as well as abroad. Before this, I worked at Bangkok, which follows a Cambridge curriculum. And I welcome you all for the new session, and may God bless you in all aspects. Thank you so much.
Good morning, I'm Harini. I teach business management for IB and IG. And welcome to all the new students. You will have a great stay in JRS. As someone said, it's home away from home. And I wish you all the success, and especially for the outgoing batch to get an excellent results. And all the best to all of you. Welcome to JRS.
Good morning, all assembled here. I'm Rosemary Chatterjee, and I'll be teaching English out over here. And the classes that I'll be taking are 8, 9, and the AS level. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. Kavita Padaki. I'll be handling biology and chemistry, 8th, 9th, 10th biology and 10th chemistry. And I'm very happy, I'm proud to say I'm also one of the founder teacher here. I'm working here from 1999 till today. I have never felt bored of this campus or teaching. Why I'm telling this? I know you all have left your parents and come here. And it's a wonderful place, you all enjoy this. All teachers are so friendly and concerned, so you will also never feel that you are away from your family. We all make you feel very comfortable here, like I am from so many years. You also will enjoy this campus. So I welcome you for new session and have